Early in the 21st century, robots known as replicants were created as off-world slave labor. Identical to humans, replicants were superior in strength and agility, and at least equal in intelligence to the genetic engineers who created them. After a bloody mutiny, replicants were declared illegal on Earth. Special police squads, Blade Runner units, had orders to shoot to kill trespassing replicants. This was not called execution. It was called retirement.
Next subject, Kowalski Leon, engineer waste disposal. File section, new employee, 6 days.
Calling Mr. Weber. Please
Come in.
Zone A, Sector 9. Replication section, level 9. We have a B1 security alert. Stand by for ID check.
Sit down.
Replication section, level 9. We have a B1 security alert. Stand by for
Care if I talk? I get kind of nervous when I take tests. Just please don't move. Oh, sorry. I already had an IQ test this year. I don't think I've ever had one of these.
Reaction time is a factor in this, so please pay attention. Now answer as quickly as you can.
Sure.
1187 Unterwasser.
That's the hotel.
What?
Where I live.
Nice place?
Yeah, sure, I guess. Is that part of the test?
No. Just warming you up, that's all.
Huh. It's not fancy or anything.
You're in a desert, walking along in the sand when all of a sudden...
Is this the test now?
Yes. You're in a desert, walking along in the sand when all of a sudden you look
What one?
What?
What desert?
Doesn't make any difference what desert. It's completely hypothetical.
But how come I'd be there?
Maybe you're fed up. Maybe you want to be by yourself. Who knows? You look down and you see a tortoise, Leon. It's crawling towards
Tortoise? What's that?
you. You know what a turtle is?
Of course.
Same thing.
Never seen a turtle. But I understand what you mean.
You reach down, you flip the tortoise over on its back, Leon.
Do you make up these questions, Mr. Holden? Or do they write them down for you?
The tortoise lays on its back, its belly baking in the hot sun, beating its legs, trying to turn itself over, but it can't. Not without your help. But you're not helping.
What do you mean I'm not helping?
I mean you're not helping. Why is that, Leon? They're just questions, Leon. In answer to your query, they're written down for me. It's a test designed to provoke an emotional response. Shall we continue? Describe in single words only the good things that come into your mind. About your mother?
My mother?
Yeah.
Let me tell you about my mother.
A new life awaits you in the off-world colonies. The chance to begin again in a golden land of opportunity and adventure.